Alma Court Canterbury beckons to those who fancy themselves as characters in their own sitcom. This property boasts ensuite and studio apartments, each room furnished with a cozy bed and a desk and chair to meet those impending academic deadlines with ease. To help maintain work-life balance, Alma Court goes the extra mile, offering amenities such as a well-equipped gym, a games room, fun social events, and outdoor study pods. No more frantic dashes to early morning classes, with esteemed institutions like Christ Church University and St. Peter's School of English. Just a leisurely stroll away, letting you indulge in some well-deserved beauty sleep and radiate charm effortlessly. And when caffeine cravings strike, head to Amalga's Cafe or Lasix Cafe, both of which are nearby. Also, with Sainsbury's and Waitrose and partners nearby, say goodbye to grocery hassles. Concerned about travel expenses? Fear not, for the nearest bus stop, Kingsbed Roundabout, is a mere stroll from the property. Additionally, Canterbury East train station is just a short drive away. At Alma Court Canterbury, the narrative of your life unfolds just as you've always envisioned it. Seize the opportunity and book your room now at amberstudent.com before it's too late.